Remember the Vivo V40? Yes, Vivo did an entire tech event around that smartphone last year, and this was around August. Yeah, August last year. Now it's been 6 months and we are already hearing about another Vivo V series smartphone that is expected to be launched in India very soon. And it's called the Vivo V50. Now I'm sure some of the details about the smartphone will interest you, because if you're looking for a camera-centric smartphone in the mid-range, then the Vivo V40 is kind of the highlight, the one phone that you go to most of the times. And is this a bang for your buck phone? Will it really meet your expectations? Everything will be answered in this video. And remember, all of the details that we are giving in this video are based on online rumors. So when you talk about the design of the V50, it is expected it will lie in the same design philosophy as the Vivo V40. However, colors and materials will change. Yes, there are 3 new colors expected for the device, and it is expected to be a super slim smartphone, almost 7.4 millimeters thick. Remember, it has a 6000 mAh battery inside of it. And you know what that means? If true, this will be the slimmest phone in the market to house a 6000 mAh battery. And if they do that, excellent. In terms of other specifications, you can expect a 6.7-inch curved display that's 1.5K in resolution. You'll also get variable refresh rate up to 120 Hz and diamond shield glass for protection. And remember, the last time when we tested this glass out, it really lived up to our expectations, and it is a strong glass. We have tested it, and not us, but the ones we were interacting with, the people who were giving us the demo, showed us how strong this glass is. So I'm sure you'll get a robust device. But what really excites me about this phone is this shimmering star-like pattern that glows against the light, and I would love to see how it feels in the hands, and I just can't wait for the device to come. So yeah, I'm really excited. Now, this would also be the first V series phone that comes with a quad curved display. So not only are you getting that new design philosophy, you are also getting maybe better viewing angles. So things will change. Now the V series, by the way, is very important for Vivo because it is one of the mass selling segment in India. So which is why I think Vivo will try their best to give you a bang for the buck device. Now Vivo, as we all know, is a camera centric smartphone brand, which is why you are getting 3 50 megapixel sensors on this phone. Now hang on, you would say that Cyrus said that there are 2 cameras on the back. Where is the third one? It's actually the front camera I'm talking about. Yes, a 50 megapixel selfie shooter. Now all of these cameras have Zeiss optics expertise, which means you are getting one of the best camera systems in the market, especially in the mid-range. And all of these cameras will be bundled with all of these AI features and the tools. So overall, you can expect good camera performance from the Vivo V50. Now remember, the global model is coming with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. However, in India, Vivo is a bit bullish with the MediaTek chipset line, and the Vivo V40 came with the 9200 plus version. However, the Vivo V50 cannot house an upgraded chipset like the 9400 series because that's a flagship level chipset, and Vivo would want to keep a cap on the price so that you can transfer the benefit to the consumer. So expect the 9200 plus chipset to continue, or maybe the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 could also come on the Vivo V50. Could be a surprise. Rest, you're getting 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage with this smartphone, and FunTouch OS obviously continues on top of Android 15. So the basics have all been covered. Now remember, I spoke about the 6000 mAh battery. Yes, that's also coming in this phone. However, with 90-watt fast charging, and the charger you get bundled in the box, which is so convenient. So you don't have to go running around for third-party chargers. So I think it's a comprehensive offering that Vivo is getting to you. We're just waiting to see how it will translate to you on paper and how it will officially come to us, because Fiiber is excited for the unboxing and the review of the Vivo V50. Everything will be revealed very soon as the phone is launched in India. Stay tuned to the channel and we'll be getting you everything. And till then, this is Cyrus signing off. I'll be back with another video right here. Take care.